Okay guys, today I would like to tell you about this website called Earnapp. Earnapp, as you can see, I'm clicked on the link on the top. Earn more, have fun, play, refer, share your bandwidth. See, with this app, you can share your bandwidth, your internet. Once you install the program onto your computer, I'm using a laptop, the program slowly takes your internet, like the data from your internet. You can also do their offers, or you can complete their tasks. They have a lot of tasks, depends on what platform you're using. If you're using a laptop or Windows, if you're using the Android phone, or you're using the iOS phones. So if you click on the offers here, as you can see, they have all these offers. See, I got the Android check mark, the iOS, and the desktop. I believe it's the phone. So they got a lot of offers here. See this? All these offers you can do. You play a game, for example, for this Android, or if you uncheck mark the Android and the iOS, because I just have a desktop right now, you can see you can still get a whole lot of offers. Hunger offer, you play, you make $8 here, you make 12 cents, 4 cents. Yeah, you make a little bit of money here. Well bet, you can make $25 here. Kin bet, 50 bucks. This game here gives you 162. So you can see you can make some money with the offers that they offer. And they have cash out too. Ways to get your money out. As you can see, so the Earnapp, if you're going to cash out, well, you have to sign in, but you can cash out with PayPal. Download Earnapp on different devices to maximize your earnings. Windows, Android, I don't know what these two are, iOS, and the MacBook. I believe it's the MacBook. Referral program, passive income. So you sharing the unused resources on your devices. It's talking about there's a whole lot of stuff here. Offers, there's a lot of offers. But mostly this program is used for, I use it for sharing in my internet that so far they've already paid me about $10. Alrighty guys, thank you for listening. Bye.